If you are managing a serious marketing budget, the pressure is not just to run ads. It's to justify every dollar behind them. Paid media is no longer judged platform by platform. It is judged by one question: does it drive real business growth? And if you have ever looked at performance dashboards and thought, we are spending significantly, but results feel inconsistent, you are not alone. That is exactly where AI becomes valuable. Not as a shortcut, not as a replacement for strategy, but as a system that brings clarity to growing complexity. As companies scale, paid advertising becomes harder to manage. You are running search, paid social, display, video, and remarketing. Data lives in multiple dashboards. Teams operate in silos. Optimization becomes reactive instead of proactive. AI changes that dynamic. It connects signals across platforms and identifies patterns faster than any manual analysis could. Instead of fragmented reporting, you gain usable intelligence. But let's be clear, AI does not replace experienced marketers. Its strength is support. AI can analyze audience behavior, timing, creative combinations, conversion paths, device usage, and historical performance simultaneously. That level of pattern recognition is simply not humanly scalable. When used properly, AI allows teams to stop focusing on surface metrics like clicks and impressions and start prioritizing what actually matters: revenue quality, customer lifetime value, profit contribution. And this becomes even more powerful when evaluating cross-channel performance. Because in reality, channels influence each other. Search impacts social. Social impacts remarketing. Video drives branded queries. AI helps you see those relationships clearly. Once clarity improves, budget decisions improve. At scale, even small inefficiencies are expensive. A few percentage points of wasted spend can translate into significant losses over time. AI identifies where incremental dollars are driving returns and where they are not. Instead of relying on static budget splits or instinct, you adjust based on real performance signals. That visibility is critical for enterprise-level accountability. Creative performance also improves. Creative fatigue is one of the most expensive hidden problems in paid media. Guessing wrong at scale becomes costly very quickly. AI accelerates testing and reveals not only which variations perform best, but why certain messages resonate with specific audience segments. That insight allows creative strategy to shift from reactive to intentional. Bidding strategy is another area where AI excels. Manual bid adjustments cannot keep up with the volume of real-time signals. Device, location, time of day, search intent, competition, and historical trends are constantly shifting. AI-powered bidding evaluates all of these variables simultaneously and adjusts dynamically based on the likelihood of achieving a defined business outcome. However, automation only works when it is aligned with strategy and supported by accurate tracking. Without strong inputs, even advanced systems struggle. This is where leadership oversight remains essential. AI does not replace experience, it sharpens it. Technology surfaces patterns and risks. Experienced marketers interpret those insights and decide how to act. The organizations seeing the strongest results today centralize oversight and unify goals across channels. When AI works with a complete data set instead of siloed information, its recommendations become far more accurate and actionable. And it is completely reasonable for executive teams to question control. High spend levels require confidence. The goal is not blind trust in algorithms, it is informed control. AI provides visibility. Humans provide judgment. Paid advertising has evolved. The tools are more powerful, but the ecosystem is more complex than ever. Organizations that want to scale responsibly need more than automation. They need structured strategy, aligned data, centralized oversight, and experienced interpretation layered on top of intelligent systems. When AI is integrated intentionally, optimization becomes proactive. Budget decisions become disciplined. Creative becomes data-informed. Leadership gains clearer visibility into performance. For executives navigating this landscape, the opportunity is not simply adopting AI. It is integrating it thoughtfully into a paid advertising strategy built around real business objectives. When intelligence and experience work together, paid media becomes more than spend. It becomes a disciplined engine for growth. When you partner with Fuse7 Digital, you work with a globally experienced team that understands both the technical complexity of AI and the accountability required for enterprise growth. Our international specialists bring decades of experience across markets, industries, and high-budget advertising ecosystems. We provide structure, clarity, and disciplined execution, so your paid advertising strategy is intelligent, accountable, and built to scale. Smarter systems, sharper strategy, stronger growth. Contact Fuse7 Digital today to see what an AI-driven paid advertising strategy truly looks like.